so I do have my pasta cooked and drained. I have my sauce, meatless. There's no meat on this one. And all my cheese here and my leftover chopped parsley. So first thing first, we're going to put a little bit of sauce on the bottom. You want some sauce on the bottom. Make sure it's spread all over. Okay, so now we have some sauce on the bottom of our pan. We're going to add the remaining sauce here with the pasta to mix everything together. Okay. So we'll add. After adding our sauce, we're going to mix it up. As you can see, we mixed up the sauce with the pasta. Yep, we will be adding our pasta to the pan. It's really saucy and it looks delicious. Make sure you cover all the bottom. So once you have your pasta on the bottom, you go ahead and add your cheese here. It's like making lasagna, but in another way. So I just love Big Ziti. It reminds me of lasagna. They are very close. Make sure it's spread all over. So you get some of your Gruyere cheese. You just go ahead and spread that over. I'm going to get half of that. We're saving the other half for the other ziti. Okay. Once you're done, you go ahead and pour the rest. And spread it. Just spread it. Once you spread it, you go ahead and use your provolone cheese. You cover it up. Look how pretty it is. So simple, very easy to make for supper, you know, for your family. It's quick. You can make it with the kids, with the husband, with the nephew or nieces, anyone. All right, so you make sure you cover it up very good. That was 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and then you covered it up very good. Okay, and then this is the first big ziti. This one is ready, so we're going to be working on the second one, so I'll see you then. All right, so this is the second big ziti, the one with the ground turkey. This one has meat. So pretty much you repeat the same thing. Add some sauce on the bottom of your pan and spread it over. So for those who eat meat, you can do it this way. It's really good either way. It tastes really good. So the only difference, the other one is we didn't add the meat, but the taste is the same, the flavor and everything else. So once you add some meat on the bottom of your pan, you go ahead and mix your pasta on the sauce. You go ahead and mix it up very good. Can you see it? Kind of zoom it up for you guys so you can see. Same steps. You add some and spread it. Okay, remember we doubled the recipe, so pretty much we ended up having two baked ziti. This is our mixture here, the cheese together. We're just going to spread that. Same thing we did with the other one. Just spread it. So we're going to add our Gruyere cheese. Same thing we did with the other one. All right. We add that. Then we add our pasta. Wow, look at that. And then just spread it out, spread it out. Okay. Then we'll add our provolone cheese. Same thing we did with the other one. There we go. I'll add one here in the middle here, and then one here. And the last cheese we're going to add is the mozzarella cheese. Same thing with the other one. This is a finely chopped mozzarella. So we spread it. Alright, so we have both here. We just have to spread some parsley, fresh chopped parsley over, just on top of the pasta. Yep, it's ready to be cooked. So we will go ahead and bake that for 35 minutes and we'll see you then. So we will be baking our pasta for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll see you then. Guys, so our ziti is almost ready. So we have less than 10 minutes left. So let's check on them. Oh, look at that. They look amazing. This is the color you want. So I think, we'll leave them for a couple more minutes. All right, this is our final result. Thank you for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoy it. All steps and ingredients will be listed. And if you want more videos like this, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bon appetit.